Hi guys, welcome back to Kit Car Direct and MK Sportscars. A different kind of video this week, guys. What is it? Well, it's a raffle giveaway. And what is that of? Well, it's this. This has got the Logitech G27 system on it. It's got the steering wheel with the pedals and gear lever and everything else. And it will also, it comes with a PC, so it comes with the screen exactly as you set up here. Tickets for this particular one are online. It's £1.99 to enter. Terms and conditions will be online if you're investigating. But let's talk about this and what it is. Well, it comes with the system here, the PC, the screen. You can see we've actually got that playing in the background there. We've done some test driving in it. It does with a manual stick shift. You have the option. You also have paddle shifts up and down, and it can also be done on the button. The steering wheel is a feedback one as well. You've got the 3 pedals for clutch, obviously accelerator and brake. Comes with a very nice pre-peg carbon seating here as well, guys. This is carbon back and front and rear. And the actual chassis part of this that we made in-house is actually our cockpit of our car. So if you look at the Mazda base kits or the Ford, this is actually the seating arrangement for the Mazda one. And it comes with a roll bar. Not that you need that on here unless you're rolling it on the screen. And I'm going to just say, enter now, guys. It is fantastic. We've loved owning this and we used it at many shows and events. It's been awesome and basically gathered a crowd every time people have gone in it. So if you want to improve your lap times, your driving skills and that, jump onto there, enter the raffle, £1.99 to the ticket, terms and conditions online. The raffle closes on January the 4th at midnight, with the winner being announced on January the 7th. Now, if you subscribe to our YouTube channel, you'll get to see that. We'll announce that online on our YouTube channel, and also the winner will be announced on the Facebook page, and we'll contact you direct. Now, collection for this particular item, because it's such a large piece, then we suggest you make your own transportation of an estate car or a van, because this will come across. So that's it, guys. Get in there, £1.99 a ticket, and you get to win this amazing simulator by MK Sportscars. Best of luck.
Oh, it's so close.
What did you get?
I think it was 130, 130.50, I think.
Was it?
Yeah. And considering you went quite slow around that last corner, corrected it quickly though. Oh, yeah, there you go.
Oh no! Whoa! It's here! Cost me!
That bias is so bad down that corner.
You have to sort of go on, then come off the brakes.
Yeah, you feather it.
Super quick.
You got engine brake most of it. Oh, that was good.
Oh, look at that! 103.
That was better than your last time when you fumbled it at the end. Oh, he's done it!